Hi, we're Darby and Ro, and Cosmo. We're currently travelling Australia in our self-converted van. We upload videos every week about our travels and the ups and downs of living in a van. This is what we got up to this week.
So, I always thought it was so.
I always thought it was so as well.
Last night we stayed here at Mount Eba campground. Mount Eba, sorry. I got confused because there's no mountain around. I put the drone up and it's completely flat. I'm not sure why it's called Mount Eba, but it is. It's a nice spot. There's lots of fire pits around, but we were the only ones here tonight, which was nice. It's very clean and the people here are quite friendly. Yeah, that's about it. I'm talking because Darby's sick.
I don't have a voice.
So I've been forced to do it.
If you didn't watch our last video, you're probably wondering why I sound so foul. But I'm a little bit sick at the moment. It's not a great time. This is not my normal voice, so bear with me till I get better. Diesel is $2.42 in Coober Pedy. It's just gonna get more expensive from here. Coober Pedy is literally a dust storm right now. I felt a bit weird filming in there, but we just went into the Catacomb Church of Coober Pedy. It's really cool. It's an underground church. What are we about to do?
Go underground?
With Cosmo.
Hello.
He's coming underground with us. Are you excited, bud? Oh, that's creepy. That's cool. My shoes and my shorts are showing up on the UV light. Oh yeah, bit of your socks. At my shoes. Flashing. Oh my god, they are. Why are they flashing? Oh. If you're over 6'3", you might have to duck in a lot of these places. I fit under them quite well, and I'm 5'10". Oh, actually no, I'm gonna have to duck here. It's so cool. Hey Cosmo, are you loving it?
I don't know.
He seems a little bit scared, and he shook off his helmet in the first 3 seconds, but that's okay. Hi Cosmo. Cosmo, I'm so proud of how good you did in the mine, bud. Rowan's just down there getting a coffee. The amount of dust flying around in Coober Pedy right now is really not helping my situation. I'm done. Can you tell? Here comes Rowan. Bud, get excited! Not a bad lunch view, if you ask me. It's a little bit, actually it's very, very windy here. We're at the Breakaways just outside Coober Pedy. Oh.
We let's put the wind, get my bread ready.
Okay.
We are having lunch today at the Breakaways just outside of Coober Pedy. It looks like we're on Mars.
If you're ever near Coober Pedy, this place is an absolute must. It's so cool. It literally feels like you're on a different planet. It's so cool, and the camera literally doesn't even do it justice. It's just, wow, you need to come see it for yourself. Come here to Coober Pedy. It's so cool.
We've just pulled up to this campsite about 2 hours north of Coober Pedy. Darby's still sick, so we're just hanging out until she gets better before we head into Uluru. And walking around with Cosmo this morning, I found a little tyre, or an old tyre. So we're going to use this as a fire pit, and if it works well, we might take it with us. What do you reckon, bud? Should we chop some wood? Now, there you are. Brownie. This made a pretty good fire pit last night, but it was way too small and spilt everywhere, so we won't be taking it with us. We don't need more garbage anyway. And this boy here has stolen my fire stick.
Hey Cosmo, do you want the milk carton? You're a lucky boy. Whoa.
It's gonna get too far. Oh, he's lost it.
Oh, has he? Oh no. Oh, he's gonna kick it too far. He can't get it. Oh, now he can't get it. Looks like it's Cosmo's time for his pancake.
Do not worry, it's going in the bin. Take a look.
Nice close
This
up
is
of the paws.
Cosmo after a couple days in the red dirt. It probably doesn't even come across on camera, but
He's so filthy.
he is a different colour. Even his face and everything about him is red.
Yeah.
So we're going to give him a quick run around on this oval and then we'll give him a wash and show you the updated model.
He might be white, he might still be orange.
Might still be orange.
The past couple of nights we've been staying at this little camp spot on the side of the road near Marla. This tiny little town with basically just a servo, and it's near the Northern Territory border. And we're just running around on the oval here, getting some energy out of Cosmo. And yeah, it's been a nice relaxing couple of days, even though I've been terribly sick, just trying to stay away from people basically. But yeah, things are looking up, and next week we're going to go up to Uluru, which is so exciting, and we're so excited to bring you guys along with us too. What time is it, Cosmo?
Bath time.
Bath time. I'm gonna get all of this orange out of you. Good job, bud.
Don't worry, you're warm up.
There's lots of these army trucks everywhere, which is cool. We think they're on their way up to Darwin. Whenever the drone comes out, you'll see Cosmo behind me. Poor little fella's so scared ever since it hit him. Maybe it hit him, we're not sure.